Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about Rolex's Submariner Date, the new 2020 model, reference number 126619LB, a new model in Rolex's line of Submariner dates. Submariners are the staple of Rolex timepieces, dating back to almost 100 years as of the making of this video. This case is 41 millimeters, 1 millimeter more than that of the previous 116619LB, and is made of oyster steel, both brushed and polished. If you notice, the sides, the lugs, are all having that polished look with that brushed finish underneath. The back, while we're there, contains the typical screw-down case back, helping to ensure water resistance down to 300 meters or 1,000 feet below sea level. In addition to this, the right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown, which when screwed tightly to the case, continues to ensure superior water resistance. The crystal is a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel is a unidirectional, rotatable bezel with a knurled edge to offer excellent grip, even underwater. The graduations are intended for divers to accurately and safely monitor diving time and decompression stops. A luminescent capsule at the 0-hour marker ensures legibility for even the deepest dives where light is scarce. And to demonstrate, we can turn out the lights right now. Alright, this dial contains a chroma-light display for the hour markers as well as the hour and minute hands for easy reading. The simple shapes shown here, triangle at 12, rectangles at the 6 and 9, and the circles for the rest of the hour marks, help make reading instant and reliable to prevent any confusion in dark or underwater situations. One thing of note, while we're on the dial, is that this new 2020 model did away with the blue sunburst finish and went with the high contrast black dial, turning the lights back on now so you can see that, which is an interesting decision, but one that I actually agree with. It really helps those blue tones of the bezel to pop just that much more, while also making the dial actually slightly easier to see in darker situations. The crown contains the Rolex logo and ensures water resistance down to 300 meters or 1,000 feet below sea level, as I said earlier. Setting the time and date are rather simple and would work as you would expect. Simply unwind the crown to the first position so you can then wind the watch if you are at a dead stop. Pull it out to the second position, and you can then change the date window by rotating the crown clockwise in position. And note that time set or date setting is rather fast, as you only really need to rotate it very little to advance the date forward. This makes it especially easy if you need to, say, skip over the 31st because the month does not have a 31st, for example, and just go directly to the 1st. And if your time is slightly off, or say you're changing time zones, just pull the crown to the final position and maneuver the minute hand, and by extension the hour hand, as necessary. Also note that the seconds hand did stop, as you can see right behind that Cyclops window. To start up again, simply press it back against the case and wind it tightly to ensure that superior water resistance. And while we're here, the most important part of this timepiece would be the movement, which was a 32-35 caliber, updated from the 31-35 caliber. Rolex has been updating their watches with new style movements, such as using more in-house parts. It has the plus or minus 2-second time differential per 24 hours, continuing to exceed Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully while wearing it to allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The shock absorbers have been updated from the KAF shock absorbers to the Paraflex shock absorbers, which absorbs 50% more shocks than the industry standard. The escapement wheel has also been updated to the Chrono G escapement wheel made of nickel phosphorus, which reduces the effects of magnetism and combined with the paramagnetic parachrome blue hairspring, it has superior electromagnetic interference resistance, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition. The power reserve is 70 hours in this model, up from the 48-hour power reserve in the previous model. So you can set it down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business, and it'll be keeping track of time just fine. No need to wind the crown. All right. This bracelet is also the oyster style with flat 3-piece links made with the same materials as that of the case, brushed oyster steel outer links and smooth polished center links, all entirely for strength. This clasp is the folding oyster lock safety clasp and contains the Rolex glide lock extension system, as you can see here. I have this closed at the smallest position, but you can simply pull it out, glide it to any other position that you may need suitable, and simply press it back in, and you're good to go. All right, and now to try this on. And note that my wrist is about 7.25 to 7.5 inches in circumference, so there is some extra space with the links there. But note that the lugs actually do go beyond the sides of my wrist here, so there's a bit of space there, but that's not too much of an issue because it still slides very nicely underneath any cuff or long sleeve. All right, so this style is one of Rolex's best sellers, and the simple elegance and nice use of blue across this watch bezel is a testament as to why this is one of Rolex's best line of watches, especially set in front of this black dial, a very good and very consistent design choice. So, who is this for? Are you just getting into collecting watches, an entry-level watch? Perhaps would be an Oyster Perpetual 36 or 41. The very likely step above that would be this, the Submariner. At 41 millimeters, it fits right in line with all the other Oyster Perpetuals and date just in size and generation. Above this model would say be a Sea Dweller, Sky Dweller, Daytona, and so forth, each with their own respective functions. For those in the beginning stages and needing a timepiece for only something like keeping time and date, this is an excellent place to start. It balances aesthetics with professionalism and function. I personally consider this model a slight step up from that of the 116619 LB, and if you want, you can check out the video for that one on its own page right here on YouTube or on our website at jazztime.com. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Are you in the market for your first watch, or would this be your next choice? Do you think you'll upgrade from your 116619 LB model for the higher power reserve? Or do you think this 1 millimeter size even makes a difference at all? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch or is perhaps upgrading their 2019 Submariner to something with more contrast and pop. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want to buy this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in jazz time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.